But pipe this, pipe this. Shino.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. You see me, right? I'm so adorable, right?
Oh, yeah.
But like, when did you see the doggle? Are you ready?
Yeah, okay. Okay, okay.
And it moves too, bro!
Let's go.
And wait
Dude,
for
that's
it.
perfect.
Wait for it.
Angry Bird.
But do you wanna... Here, let me show you a fucking preview, of what I was working with while Ashley was watching me.
Hello.
Alright.
I was working on the fucking rigging for this shit, bro. It's so
For
good.
how long?
Well, I finished rigging the model today.
Yeah.
But then I just started getting a bit obsessed with toggles. But are you watching my are you watching my stream? On Discord?
Yeah. Oh no, I saw I just like look at the right side, I'm like, oh no, shot, you did that.
I did it. I fucking did it, bro. I'm just built
Hey,
differently.
Lois, look, I'm a bird now, Lois. Wow.
He's a bird now.
Oh.
I'll show chat too. There. I feel like Charlie's gonna fucking love that shit. Come on. He has to. My birthday is on the 7th of February, the same as fucking Lily, the fox mechanic. Bruh. Noble stole my birthday. But here's the fucking expression I'm working on. Yeah, I'm an Aquarius. Do you like it? Do you like it, Ron? Do you like it? Do you like it? Isn't it pretty? Speeder!